Hello and welcome back. This is part two of the WizIQ new virtual classroom of giving you an inside view into my classroom as a premium teacher. As you see, I had mentioned the other previous section over before, but before I begin up top, let's begin with the chat box. Anytime you want to chat, of course, uh, you can send your message. And you'll notice that it won't say teacher as it did in the previous version. It'll just show me. Whenever I type something, it will show me every time. And you'll notice here you have your emicons, but they're on a different side now. They're near the chat feature. So when you click on clap, it'll show the word clap. And when you click on send, now right now it's still a work in progress. So if they're still ironing out some things, so keep in mind this is brand new, just got put up today. Well, actually on this week or last week sometime. So let's move on. Okay, and let's say if I want to choose a different color, and when I write to people and make my font bigger, I could choose 18 and I can type my information as you see there. You see different color, bigger fonts. Okay, now if you notice here, if I had other people in this chat box, the beautiful thing is I can chat with everybody, or if I only want to chat with only certain people, I can click on this drop down menu and select the person who is in my session to chat with privately, and that chat will be between me and the individual. Let's say you have a session and you don't want the chat to go on, you can click on this little thing here that says enable. Now it's disabled. Now, here's the interesting thing, I can still chat, but my other participants on the other end will not be able to chat back with me. So the wonderful thing is just remember that you have this feature whenever you want to disable your chat box for now, or if you want normally like the chatting to continue, it can. Usually it will be already preset and enabled, so you won't need to change it unless you decide you want to do something differently. Next to enable, you'll notice this little minimize feature. So when I click on this, it looked like it disappeared, but it actually has not disappeared. So what I'm going to do is right down to my left uh, bottom side, you'll see where it says chat. Now I'm going to click on it. There's my chat. Now let's say if I want to bring my chat back to the window, I can. I click on this little pop in arrow next to the minimize feature, and voila, I can pocket it right back in. If I want to pop it out and move it around, I can click on this again, but this time it says pop out, voila. And I can move my chat feature anywhere I want to. If I want to put it up top, bottom, wherever I would like. Now, the interesting thing is if you try to drag it back in, it won't go back in. So what you will have to do is click on the arrow where it says pop back in, and voila, it's back inside. Now, we will continue on with the other features as you see here before. Uh, Now, as you see right here, we have the media feature, but the only catch 22 is only at the moment, only YouTube videos can go in here. So when you play your YouTube videos, people can see what you're playing on your screen. So we'll pretend like a YouTube video is there, so we won't clash with my recording. And let's pretend like we got a movie going on or something playing. You can maximize it within the screen, and you can also, when you're done, click on the X, and it will close it out, give it some time, it may still be playing, and then voila, it is gone. So these are some wonderful tools that we have here. Stay tuned for part 3 of the WizIQ new classroom feature, also for teachers and premium members.